Hello everybody and welcome back to the 2000 grade 8 Gauss paper. We're on to question number 18, which is about a fellow named Jim. So Jim's in his car and he drives 60 kilometers south, 40 kilometers west, 20 kilometers north, and then 10 kilometers east. What is the distance from his starting point to his finishing point? Okay, well let's draw ourselves a little picture. So this is Jim's starting point. We'll say it's S up here. And put a little compass up here. Never eat shredded wheat. Okay. So he drives 60 kilometers south. Then I think it was 40 kilometers west. I'm pretty sure it was 20 kilometers north. And finally 10 kilometers east. Yeah. And this is where he ends up. We'll call it E. Okay. Let's just verify we got all his directions correct. 60 south, 40 west, 20 north, and 10 east. And we want to know the distance from his starting point to his finishing point. Okay. So the one thing to really note about northeast, southwest is that they're perpendicular to one another. So I can put a right angle here, and a right angle here, and a right angle here. And I'm actually going to move this 10 kilometers up above. Okay. So what I could do is I could grab an extra color, and I could, I notice I have three right angles here. I could complete my rectangle. And now I have a rectangle that is 40 by 20. So this is 20 in here. And I should have 40 long here, but I come back a little bit by 10. So it's not that hard to see that this in here is 30 kilometers. And if this bit is down here is 20, to that point, let's call it A, then this is going to have to be 60, because the total length is 60, minus this 20, so we're going to have 40 kilometers. And now at this point, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. We have a right angle triangle here, so SE squared, and that's the distance we want. We want SE. It's going to be SA, that's the 40 kilometers squared, plus AE squared, and that's 30 kilometers. So 40 squared plus 30 squared. So if I want just SE, I need to square root the whole thing. So square root of 40 squared plus 30 squared. That square root sign sort of got out of hand there. So that's going to be the square root of 1,600 plus 900, which is the square root of, when we add those together, we get 2,500. And when we take the square root, we get 50 kilometers. So the difference between Jim's start point and his end point, despite his amazingly circuitous journey, is 50 kilometers. And I think I saw 50 kilometers as one of the solutions. There it is, it's B. So B, 50 kilometers. All right. So join me in the next video for a very interesting looking question 19. Ta-ta for now.